Hello students, from our previous video we got little idea about reported speech. We'll continue the activity with this example. The teacher said to the student, write 5 sentences on this model. This sentence is said to be indirect speech. To change from direct to indirect speech, first identify the kind of sentence in the spoken part. This sentence begins with verb write. It is an imperative verb. So this is an imperative sentence. So depending on the kind of the sentence, the reporting verb undergoes change. To report imperative sentences, verbs used are requested, ordered, commanded, etc. Here the teacher instructed or you can write asked or asked the student, remove punctuation marks, imperative write will be changed to write. TO2 is added to join both the parts. To write 5 sentences on this will change to that model. Full point. I repeat the answer. The teacher instructed or asked the student to write 5 sentences on that model. Anyone you can use while reporting this sentence. Next one. Bob said to Sam, be quiet. Be quiet is an imperative sentence. So we have to change the reporting verb. Bob told or ordered Sam, remove punctuation marks, add a TO2 to be quiet. I repeat the answer. Bob told or ordered. Any one of these 2 reporting verbs will do. Write any one. Here I have written both. Bob told or ordered Sam to be quiet. Next one. The coach said to the boys, don't swim out too far. Here, don't swim out too far is an imperative sentence. I begin with the coach changed it to told or warned the boys. Remove punctuation marks. Here, when there is a negative word is contracted in contracted form, so negative word has to be written. The coach told or warned the boys not, then to not to swim out too far. I repeat the answer. The coach told or warned the boys not to swim out too far. Next one. The leader said to the team, get ready to march. This sentence, get ready to march, is an imperative sentence. I begin with the leader in a commanding position ordered the team. Remove punctuation marks. Imperative get is changed to infinitive to get ready to march. I repeat, the leader ordered the team to get ready to march. Ordered is used because captain, leader, they lead the team and they command or order the team. So, said to is changed into ordered. Next one. He said to her, let us have some tea. This sentence is a different one, of course. Here we begin with he said to is changed to proposed or suggested. Proposed or suggested to her. Remove punctuation commas. Here that is used to join both the parts. Let us is changed into they should, then have some tea. I repeat, here said is changed to proposed or suggested. Answer, that is reported speech, is he proposed or suggested to her that they should have some tea. Next one. Don't insult the poor. John said to David. We begin with John said to is changed to advised. David, remove punctuation marks. Not, not, negative word. Then not to insult the poor. I repeat, John advised David not to insult the poor. Students, I stop here. Watch the videos carefully. If you don't understand repeatedly, you go through them so that it will help you in solving direct and indirect speech. Thank you.